Good morning everyone. In today's class of marketing, I am going to tell the importance of marketing. It's an important topic. Before it, I have discussed what is marketing, what are the types of marketing in yesterday's video. In today's video, I am going to discuss importance of marketing. So, just learn marketing is very important. The ultimate aim of marketing is customer satisfaction, and importance of marketing is to here we can see 3 points are given. Importance of marketing to marketers, importance to customers, and importance to society. So first of all, learn these 3 points. Marketing is important for marketer, customer, and society. Marketer is a person who does marketing, and customer is person who buys product. Society is the audience, or we can say public. So here are 3 importance of marketing. First, to marketers. So let's discuss first importance to the marketers. So importance to the marketer is given in 3 categories. First, marketing promotes product awareness to public. Marketing helps in enhancing product sales. Third, marketing builds company rapport or reputation. So why marketing is important to marketer? Marketer means a person who does marketing. Marketing का work करने वाला that person is called marketer. So marketer की हेल्प कैसे होती है? Why is marketing helpful for marketer? Because marketing promotes product awareness to public. As marketer does advertising for every product, advertising is also the part of marketing. So marketing and advertising promotes product awareness to public. Second, marketing helps in enhancing means increasing product sales. Yes, if we are doing so much advertising on TV, then customer will attract towards the product and they will buy it. So it will increase. Enhance means increase product sales. So marketing will help product sales. Third, marketing builds company reputation. Yes, if we do so much good efforts to sell our product, we are doing so much publicity, advertising, then with marketing our company reputation will increase. So there is no need to learn the whole paragraph. We can learn only points and we can write ourselves. बस पॉइंट याद कर लीजिए, खुद बना के लिख सकते हैं. जस्ट लर्न 3 पॉइंट्स. इंपॉर्टेंस टू मार्केटर, कस्टमर एंड सोसाइटी. मार्केटर की कैसे हेल्प होगी? बाय मार्केटिंग वी कैन प्रमोट, बाय मार्केटिंग वी कैन अट्रैक्ट कस्टमर्स, we can increase our product sales, and finally our company reputation can increase. Next, importance to customer. Yes, for customer marketing is very important, because point 1 here also 3 points are given. Point 1, marketing creates utilities, large number of choices available, more platforms available. Why is marketing important for customer? Because customer knows about product after seeing its advertisement and publicity. Okay, so marketing tells product use. Utility means product use. Marketing tells or advertising tells why this product is useful for customer. So when customer knows that it is very useful product, then customer can buy this. So marketing helps customer in the way that marketing creates utilities. Utilities means it tells the use of any product to the customer. Next, marketing tells large number of choices available. In marketing, customer can easily watch which categories or choices or alternatives are available for any product. Here one example is given. For example, Lux, Pears, Rexona, Dove are range of soaps offered by HUL. Hindustan Unilever is a company which offers many kinds of soap. So customer can purchase any soap like Lux, Pears, Rexona, Dove. So many choices can be known in advertising or marketing only. More platforms available. Platform means from where customer can buy that product. As we know, we can go to a physical shop or we can buy online also. That's called online platform or e-commerce, online business platform. So customer can easily know after seeing the marketing or advertising that where customer can buy that product. So importance of marketing to customer is that customer can easily know about the product, customer can know what is the use of product, what are the choices available, and where is the platform from where customer can buy that product. And finally, marketing is helpful to society. So importance of marketing to society. Here again 2 points are given. You can just learn 3 points, then point 1 contains again 3 points, point 2 contains again 3 points, And last point, third contains 2 points. For society, marketing is important because source of employment, point 1. Point 2, welfare of customer and stakeholders. Yes, for society means all the public, general public. Marketing is important because it's a source of employment means job. In Hindi we can say rozgar. Yes, in marketing we can hire any person for doing marketing for staff. So marketing is just a source of employment. एक लोगों को आप इससे जॉब दे सकते हो marketing की. Finally, welfare means good of all. In Hindi we can say भलाई, customer की भलाई. And stakeholders are all the members of company or organization which affect organization and get affected by the organization. So stakeholder means all employees, all owners, shareholders, customers, competitors, all the members who affect or influence the company. So good marketing is important for all the customers and all the stakeholders. So we are done with this topic, importance of marketing to marketer, customer and society. Finally, some knowledge assessment 2 questions are given in this. MCQs are given, just go through them. These are very important, as we know now you will have MCQs in your board examination. So these are very very important. So in every section or every session or we can say every chapter, in the last some fill in the blanks, some MCQ or some true false are given for your practice only. So just go through them. Okay, thanks for listening. Next I will discuss in other video. For today I have discussed importance of marketing. Thank you everyone. Next I will so this we can see this session is over today. So we are done with unit 1 session 2. We will start session 3 in other, or we can say in next video I will start session 3. Thank you for today.